Hello everybody and welcome back to Coombe Valley Campers. Today we're going to show you my camera falling off. Oh god, that's going to go well. Hello everybody and welcome back to Coombe Valley Campers. Today we are going to be introducing our new project, Project Lockdown. Since lockdown we've been racking our brains trying to find out how we can bring you content every week as we normally do. And so, as well as needing a work van, we've decided to introduce a work van. This is Project Lockdown. This is our new, to us, VW T4 Transporter. It's a 2003, 2.5 litre, 5-speed, 88 brake horsepower, short wheelbase T4 Transporter van. It's uncut, it has a solid tailgate, it's a standard height, it's pretty much standard everything. Okay, so what are our plans with Project Lockdown? Well, our ultimate aim is to make it a fairly quick, really clean, really good looking daily driver van that has the capability to transport all the stuff we need to day to day and tow a trailer if we need to as well. But it's got to look good, it's got to have some stance, it's got to have some nice wheels, and yeah, it's got to be respectable if we decide to take this to a car meet as well. So yeah, a nice, respectable, good looking van, but it's a bit of a dirtbag. It's a messy van. Despite me being only the third owner, this van is pretty filthy. It's filthy on the outside, it's filthy on the inside, and there's lots of work to do to bring it up to snuff, really. First thing we're going to be doing, and that's in the next video, is to jet wash the thing down, scrub it with loads of elbow grease, and all of our Valet Pro gear that they've kindly given us for this project. Secondly, we're going to be tearing out all the interior, and giving that a good wash as well, because one of the first owners of this van, or the first owner of this van, sorry, was a farrier. Now if you don't know what a farrier is, it's the guy who goes to stables up and down the country and fits horseshoes and trims horses' hooves and things like that. And initially this van had a, I want to say stove, it's not a stove, it's a forge. He had a forge in the back, so almost like a gas pad oven where he would beat the horseshoes into shape and adjust them so they would fit each individual horse's hoof. And you can actually still see marks in the back of the van for that, whether he had the bulkhead to divide the front part of the van where he'd stored all his gear and the back of the van where the forge was. So we'll be tearing all the wood out, cleaning it out, probably jet washing out on the inside actually, and then making it a nice place to be to start our next round of modifications. And the inside of the cab, again, it's filthy dirty. I want to take you on the journey of stripping the seats down completely, machine washing the covers, which is not what a lot of people do, but it's a really good way to clean up your upholstery without breaking the bank, and it gives you a lesson as to how your seats are put together also. In terms of bodywork, we will eventually get the bodywork done professionally by Gaz at JDI Auto Body, but in the meantime we're just going to clean it up, tidy up some of the rusty areas and paint them over. One of the first jobs to do is to replace the sliding door, and we've got one of those lined up, so we're going to have a solid uncut sliding door, because the current one is a slightly different colour, it's got a window in it and it's got some stickers on the side, which I don't want it. I want the complete uncut look, especially bearing in mind this van has a solid tailgate as well. And the big thing we're going to be doing with this van is we're going to be doing some engine changes. So despite it being a 2.5 litre 88 brake horsepower van, we want to be upping the horsepower to around about double that. So we're looking at 150, 160 horsepower from this engine, and we've got some people on the cards to be able to help us do that as well. And with more power becomes maybe bigger brakes and uprated clutch, uprated tyres, uprated suspension, that sort of thing. And that's what we'll be doing to this van. We're going to have support from lots of companies to do it, and we're going to be showing you their products, and I can't wait to take you on the journey. So yes, this van is now christened Project Lockdown. We'll just call it Lockdown. So whilst we're all under lockdown, I'll be showing you loads of jobs that you can be doing whilst you're on lockdown too. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.